In this video, you will learn how to enter time from the Quick Add button, how to enter a time entry from a Matter or client page, and how to see time, expenses, payments, and receivables for a client, Matter, timekeeper, or time period. There are several places where you can add time entries in Zencase. Of course, you can add time entries from the Quick Add button. If you add time entries from the Quick Add button, you have to enter the client and the Matter, as it will not auto-populate like it would if you were to enter time from the Matter page or from a task. When entering time from the Quick Add button, you can type in any portion of the client name or even the client number in order to find the client. However, most people find that it is faster to simply go to the Matter line and type in a portion of the Matter number or the Matter name, which will also auto-populate the client information. Some people like to utilize timers to keep track of how long they've been working on something for a particular time entry. When you click on a timer, it will begin running, but when you open another timer, the first timer that you opened will automatically pause, so you can go back to it later and restart. You can also press the pause button on a timer, then restart it later. You should be sure to include an appropriate time description on each of your time entries. If you have set a particular matter to have leads billing, then when you open the time entry modal, it will request that you also complete the leads task code and leads activity code. You can also enter a discount directly on the time entry, which you can select to have the discount either shown on the client invoice, or you can simply reduce the fee charge without showing it on the bill. You can also enter time on any task. When you select to enter time on a task, the client, Matter, and task will auto-populate. You can also enter time from the Matter page under the Charges tab. When you enter time at the Matter level, you would simply click to add a time entry, and a modal will pop up which allows you to enter the time. You can also enter a time entry on the Charges tab on the Client page. When you click to add time at the client level, it will auto-populate a Matter, but you may need to select a different Matter if there are multiple Matters for that particular client. When entering time, if you choose not to utilize a timer, then you can always manually enter your time value later. You can see all of your time entry as well as enter new time entries from the Time and Expenses page. From here, you can utilize filters to see your time entries by client, by Matter, or by a date range. You can also see a number of other very helpful pieces of information like your actual hours, adjusted hours, discounted hours, the value of your time entry, the amount that's been billed, the amount that's been paid, as well as the amount that's due. But you should be aware that this is information that's only reflected for the filtered values. So this may be only for particular clients or matters or for a particular date range. Now you should know how to enter a time entry from the Quick Add button, how to enter a time entry from a Matter or a client page, and how to see time, expenses, payments, and receivables for a client, Matter, timekeeper, or time period. If you would like to learn more information about this topic, then please visit the Zencase Help Center.